Hi, buddies.
We are now at the Mussell family farm. How many goats do you have, Brian?
We have around 300 goats right now.
Wow.
And we're milking around 120.
You see the babies? Yeah. Here's some more.
Yeah.
Oh, look at them all.
You really want to say
Hi. Hi, nice to meet you. They don't bite, do they?
No.
Okay.
They're just like dogs.
Really? Hi, buddy. Do you want a pet one? Hi.
Yeah.
Do you want to be pet? You were jumping up earlier. You want a pet one, honey?
Here's
Okay,
one over here.
I'll videotape you petting a goat.
baby over here.
He wants a pet.
Look at that. You want a pet? Hi.
There's Cyan petting a goat. You can touch it, honey, if you want to.
Hi. Hi, little buddy. Yeah. You guys are
That's
cute.
Chochomishi petting a goat.
That's so cute.
Do you want to take Cassandra and let her pet a goat?
Sure.
Can I see
Hello,
the
okay?
big goat?
How neat is this? Did you always have goats growing up?
No, we just got them about 2 years ago, I think.
You want to pet again? Wow. That's so neat. That's so neat, isn't it?
What do you think, Cyan?
Really?
No, yeah, they're just like golden retrievers.
Wait, okay, go ahead.
Can I
Two
hold the
babies.
baby
You
again?
want to touch the baby? Oh. It's not impressive. Yeah, please give it to me.
There.
Aww.
This guy's just a couple days old.
He's a couple days?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry for traumatizing you, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry. Welcome to our world.
Hi, little
2
guys.
days?
Yeah.
And they
They're
already come out
big.
all fuzzy like
I already put me in.
Hello, Cyan.
What do you think, Cyan?
Is that fun?
Cute.
Can we give that to your preschool class? A picture? Picture of your preschool class? Oh my goodness.
This little goat is only 2 days old.
We've normally had 3 this year. Oh, there you go. So yeah,
Oh. And do they have to be from the same mom to be in the same area here, or do they just
no. The younger ones we mix them male and female. All our females have a year.
Oh my goodness.
I want to go hold another baby goat, Mom.
We can.
I've
Yeah,
never
they're
seen
just-
this. They love humans. Oh, look at that. Look at that. They're amazing.
Okay, watch the kids, okay?
Where are they going?
They're going to get milked, honey.
Is that your brother?
Yeah, he's bringing them in to be milked.
Watch this then.
Can I watch how they get
I
milk?
don't think so.
Can I watch how they get milk?
Yes, we will. We'll go there next.
Look at them. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
I need my camera.
Okay.
If we come down here,
Yeah, but Dom, just stand there like that. Hey, look at it. Dom, just stand. Look at this.
there we go.
Whoa, that's cool. Hey, Cyan? Huh? Cassandra. Mom's milking a goat.
No.
We're built up for the first 3 weeks, and then they generally get a max. They generally give them 3 and 3.5 liters. Generally, well, this one she's giving a lot, so she's probably giving 4. And so for about 5 months, they give about that much milk, and then their production starts to decrease, and then you breed them back.
Wow.
Do you guys keep any for yourself?
Yeah,
One
I
hand
need to learn
pushing it,
again.
on the one hand, just as you're about to.
Okay.
The other hand, one line, flat as up.
That's what I'm doing now. Oh, how do I stop it?
You gotta pull it out.
Okay. Okay. And it's just one at a time?
Yep.
Oh, sorry, I got too early. I was excited. Okay. So just as I'm about to.
Yeah.
Ah, sorry.
Yeah, that's on. Yep.
There you go, little girl.
There we go.
You did it.
And she wasn't even that upset.
No.
There you go.
She's used to it.
When they're ready to be milked, are their teats bigger then? Because her teats were quite big compared to the other ones. Or does that have nothing to do with the...
Their udder would be more full.
I know you're not going to get it.
Okay.
Next couple months.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, because there were the ones there that were pregnant.
I want to hold a different one.
Want a different one?
Please. Oops.
Alright, let's try. Jelly does PowerPoint, help out. Conrad, Carson. Okay, Conrad. Yeah, you know, so there's three of us on.
What do you guys usually do with the kids?
Well, we started Wednesday night to have a lunch.
That's what Joey's been going through lately.
We did the middle number of weeks on the YouTube store.
Okay.
He's already like switching up every like 4 weeks.